Effortless is a product of Agriafin Labs. The function of Effortless is to provide accounting, bill booking, payments, and banking services for MSMEs based in India. One of the use cases we've uncovered is to save an entrepreneur's time by automating their bill booking process by tracking and recording bills that they receive from vendors on their Gmail account and Google Workspace account. With this as the intention, we are using the following APIs. In the non-sensitive scope section, we are using the user info profile, the user info email scopes. And in the restricted scope, we're using the Gmail API to view the email messages and settings of users who consent. So the way that we have designed this to operate is that the user visits the bill booking section and they have a button over here which says connect your Gmail account. So when they click connect your Gmail account, you can see that we have an ID over here. So let's say that I consent to using this account. You can see that Go Effortless wants to access my Google account, personal info scope, the personal info and anything that we made publicly available through Gmail. And the primary Gmail account is being shown here, and we trust Effortless. So we are continuing. So when we give this permission, we will be directed back inside. So when we view the add and manage page now, you can see that Vignesh's account has been added. And let's just say for safety's sake, we are going to sync now. And we have, let's say, synced our account successfully. Once we go in, you can see that this is when the permission is granted for the email reading and API to track the invoices that have been delivered, we have actually identified 11 standard providers whose invoices we want to track. And these are Airtel, Ola, Uber, ACT FiberNet, Swiggy, Make My Trip, Vodafone Idea, Dunzo, Dineout, Apple, Heroku, and Amazon Web Services. So we generally use the email read-only API to validate whether the contents of the email each contain fields indicative of being associated with the bill. And we use the account API to validate whether the data we are referring to, in this case, is a bill, is associated with the same user as well as the email. And apart from the standard requirements, we have also enabled our customers to add their own vendors into this section so that they can track those emails in as well. And the way you do this is that you click this add a new provider icon, you enter a vendor, let's say arun@agria.in, and you just nickname them as Arun, and you hit add now. They will be added to the billers list, and we can retrieve bills from arun@agria.in. And you can see that the toaster here says that they have been added successfully. So by doing this, they're giving us the permission to read and collect bills associated with the email address that they have added as a new vendor or provider. This concludes our presentation, and we hope we have adequately described the requirements for the API we will be using from the Gmail team. Thank you so much.